Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by mapping the Neet syllabus to a simple color code, so studying becomes visual and intentional. First, pick 3 colors and assign them: red for must master, yellow for practice, green for quick recalls. Then write 1 topic per sticky with a bold header and 1 micro action, e.g. mechanics. Revise formulas 30 min. Once done, place them on a master planner by week. This gets you working now without over-preparing supplies. Make sure each note has a clear, single task. You now use sticky notes to structure active learning. Write 1 concise formula or mnemonic per note and stick it where you will encounter it while studying, like margin or chapter header. When solving papers, place a red note on concepts you got wrong and jot the specific mistake and the corrective step, plus the date. Once a cluster of related notes forms, bundle them for a 15-30-minute targeted review session. Make sure to rotate bundles so spaced repetition takes effect. You finish by converting recurring problem note content into lasting resources. Rewrite them as flashcards or add to a digital list so the sticky note system stays lean. Place weekly goal notes on a wall and move finished items to a done column. This visual progress boosts motivation. If notes start falling off or pages look messy, use a tiny strip of tape or transfer the text to a fresh note. If too many notes accumulate, consolidate similar ones into 1 clearer action to avoid overload.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.